Hello, friends. It's been a while since we talked, or I sent you a video on the real estate market. Every time I go with a buyer or a seller, or I'm in a social function or in a gathering, I get asked, Gunjan, where is this market going? What do you think? Whether it will go up, down, it will crash? Like what is driving this market so crazy? It's hard to answer those things. There are lots of analysts and researchers working on these kinds of facts and figures and analyzing this. And Treb recently came up with a very interesting, comprehensive report combining all this research and facts and putting it together in a 56-page report, which is very simplified, but still 56 page, it's a lot of information to digest. So I thought of making this little video for you and sharing the facts and the summaries out of these reports, which could be help to you if you are a first time buyer, a person buying to thinking of buying your investment property, or just curious about where this market is going and to learn more about the Toronto's real estate market. So when the demand is up and the supply is down, usually the prices go up, and that's what is driving 2016. We had a very low inventory in the market, and that's one of the major factors that drove the prices high. Let me talk about the summary section of the market in review. The record home sales and accelerated annual sales growth occurred in 2016. Key drivers of record home sales include population growth, low mortgage rates, low unemployment, and above inflation income growth. Strong demand and a very low inventory resulted in the robust pricing growth. The record home sales in 2016 were heavily based on the domestic demand. This is a key. Like it is not based on the international market activities in GTA, unlike Vancouver. The foreign buyer activities in GTA represents a minimal of 4.9% of the transactions. And some of the facts in terms of what kind of transactions are happening, whether it's a resale or new home versus first time home buyers to the investors. These are the facts that I would like to share. Total GTA, 51% is the first time home buyers buying home in 2016 versus 49% is a person who already owns a home and is buying a second property. The rate of growth in 2015, the average home price in GTA was 622,000. It went up by 17%, 17.3% to 729,922,000 in 2016. In terms of the new home versus the resale, total GTA 2016, 70% is the resale homes transactions versus 30% is the brand new homes or pre-construction. Strong rate of price growth and the short supply listing will continue to make the headlines in 2017. So again, 2017 will be driven by the low supply of the houses available and a higher demand. So let's look at the summary for the outlook of 2017. The home buyer survey saw the number of likely home buyers decline in comparison to the year earlier. So the demand is also kind of go down a little bit because a lot of people will not afford, will not think of buying a home. The sales on the TREB MLS system are expected to range between 104 to 115,000 in 2017, which is quite at what it is today, close to 100,000 plus. Despite the possibility of decline in sales, the first-time buyers activity will continue to account for more than half of the home sales in GTA. The strong first-time buyer activity points to the confidence in the home ownership as a equity long-term investment. So first-time home buyers still growing. That shows the confidence in the market, confidence in the real estate. 2017 will still be marked as the persistent shortage of listing, especially for the low-rise home type, that is houses, detached, semi-detached, townhomes, those category, which remain very popular with intending buyers. A likely range of an average selling price in 2017 is between 800,000 to 850,000. So it's still going high. If you look at the one, the average for 2016 was 700 something, was 729. So it's still projected to be between 800 to 850,000 in 2017. So the market is trending upwards as well. And there are reasons behind it which are outlining the factors, not just a bubble, or it's not just the low interest rate alone that are driving the market. There are various other factors to it. There are demographic factors that are playing a role in the market going up, and there is a real demand for the housing in Toronto market, and that's what is driving it upwards. And it is in line with, this is a debatable topic which is debated in the social gatherings everywhere, whether it is in line with the income growth or not. But as per the report, it is in line and keeping in mind the income growth as well. So enjoy the report. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. And I also attached the report to this email. Look at it. If you have any questions, give me a call. Thank you. Bye bye. Good day.